travel bag. When it comes to traveling, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag proves to be an indispensable companion for organizing one's grooming essentials. This travel bag, crafted with functionality and style in mind, offers a harmonious blend of practicality and aesthetic appeal. The primary material of the toiletry bag is a high-quality, water-resistant fabric that ensures the contents remain dry and protected, which is particularly beneficial in diverse travel environments. The durability of the material also speaks to the longevity of the bag, promising many journeys of reliable service. A standout feature of the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag is its ample storage capacity. The bag is designed to accommodate full-size toiletry containers, making it an excellent choice for those who prefer to carry their preferred brands during travel. The various compartments and pockets are thoughtfully placed, allowing for organized storage of everything from shampoos and conditioners to makeup and shaving supplies. Each compartment is easily accessible, which enhances the usability of the bag. The hanging hook of the toiletry bag is another well-appreciated feature. It provides the convenience of displaying the contents vertically, making it easier to access toiletries without the need to unpack everything. This is particularly handy in bathrooms with limited counter space, as it allows the bag to be hung on towel racks or shower rods. From a design perspective, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag has a sleek and modern look, available in several color options to suit different tastes and preferences. The design does not only focus on aesthetics, but also ensures that the form factor remains compact, even when the bag is fully packed, which is essential for minimizing luggage space. In terms of improvements, some users might find the zippers could be smoother, and adding a few more specialized compartments for smaller items could enhance the organization further. Additionally, while the water-resistant feature is robust, it would be beneficial for the product to be fully waterproof to withstand more extreme conditions. Overall, the BAGSMART Toiletry Bag Travel Bag stands out as a highly functional and stylish option for travelers seeking a reliable way to transport their toiletries. Its